Hi, my name is Benjamin Lannon, and today we're going to go over using the AWS CDK or Cloud Development Kit to set up some resources with least amount of privilege for them to allow to talk to each other. So here we have a simple CDK app. We have a DynamoDB table and a Lambda function available. Now we want this Lambda event. We have this Lambda function that's going to be able to read from this table, but currently, as it states, these two resources don't know how to talk to each other. So we have two things that we probably want to do. We want to first have the Lambda function know what the name of the table that when we want to read from. So first, let's set up an environment variable for this. So we can say environment, table name, and we want to grab the name of the table from the instance that we define up here. So if we go table.table name, now they're kind of linked. But the thing is, the function still doesn't have access to be able to read from it. So we could come here and create a new IAM rule, but there's an easier way to do this. If you look at the functions under table.grant, we can see we have a bunch of things that say allow us to give certain permissions to a particular resource. So if we go, for our instance, we want to read. So if we go down to grant.readData, we can see that it allows a IAM principal to do actions such as bash get item, query, get item, and scan, things we want to do when we're reading from a table. So if we do this and throw in a iGrantable, which in this case, our function is that, now we have set up the permissions that table and function can talk to each other. Now, if we look at the IAM changes in our CDK deploy statement that's pending, we can see that we have a couple new roles that we're setting up for our various Lambda function. So we can see that for the principal of our Lambda function, we can see that the resource of our diamond table is giving it access all of the various things we want and nothing more. So if we deploy this, then our function will only get access to read and nothing more.